Hello, in this tutorial I'll briefly introduce the DesignBuilder DSM UK certification interface for producing DSM EPCs and building regulations compliance documents in the UK. During this tutorial, I'll briefly show you how to define relevant model data in DSM models and point out the main differences between SBEM and DSM, run a calculation to produce a DSM EPC, and finally I'll review the recommendations report. DesignBuilder is the most widely used commercial certification software for
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.